Hello, this is Lockpicking Nerd, and the lock I have for you today is this beautiful old padlock. It has very nice shape, and I like this small shackle. Overall, the lock feels very solid and quite beefy for such a small lock. It's not a big lock, better say medium-sized. It's a lever lock, and it has this nice curtain closing the keyway. I really like attention to details that's present in this lock. The lock body is riveted with these huge rivets, so the lock is very tough. And you can see these pieces of steel here and here. The body is made of sheet steel, and it's made very well. I don't know the country of production and the age of this lock. I haven't found any markings on this lock, nothing. So I may just guess that it's USSR. I have a key for this lock. It looks like this. And it was a surprise for me to reveal that this lock has 4 levers inside. I have picked more common Soviet padlocks, and all these padlocks have 2 or 3 levers maximum. So 4 lever version, if it's made in Soviet Union, is a high security one. And all this in this small padlock. This lock is also more difficult to tension than more common Soviet locks. It has no center shaft for the key. The key works as it should. The lock is a little bit rusty, but it works. Nice little shackle, quite beefy I have to say, made of steel. I don't think it's hardened, but anyway. I really like how this lock works. So let's try to pick it open and see how secure it is. I'll take a vise and we'll come back in a moment. First I will show you that the key still works. I will use this piece of metal to help position my picks. Trying to locate the tension point. It's not very easy to pick this lock. I'm always trying not to drop the picks. Oh, I dropped. One more time. Got a little bit of movement here. Lever 1, lever 2. Lever 3, lever 4, and I think we're almost here, finally. And the lock is open. We can see that the key still works. It was definitely a difficult pick, partially because the lock is quite old, and partially because it has 4 levers. I won't gut this lock. because it's riveted and there's no way to gut it non-destructively. So that's all I have for you today. If you like this video, please tap like, and if you have any questions, don't hesitate to put them in comments. Have a good evening, stay safe, and see you in the next video.